Can you spot the pattern in this array to determine if it's good? We're given an integer array and we need to check if it's a permutation of a specific base array. The base array is defined as 1, 2, and 1 in, where n is the length of the array minus 1. A brute force approach would be to generate all permutations of the base array and check if the given array matches any of them. However, this approach is inefficient and won't work for large arrays, so let's think of a more optimal solution. The key insight here is to find the maximum element in the array, which will give us the value of n. We can then use a hash table to count the frequency of each element in the array and compare it with the base array. If the frequencies match, then the array is good, otherwise it's not. Let's walk through the steps to solve this problem. First, we find the maximum element in the array, which gives us the value of n. Then, we use a hash table to count the frequency of each element and compare it with the base array. If the frequencies match, we return true, otherwise we return false. Check out the code and try it out yourself.